Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the difference between the AI, ML, data science, deep learning, and also data mining, and how actually they correlate each other. How, what exactly the subset of data science is, and how artificial intelligence have their subsets in machine learning and data learning. We have heard this terminology at many instances, but we need to know how they play an important role to build an one artificial intelligence system. So the first thing is data science. As you see on the right side, the data science is basically the groundwork for everything, like the roads, electricity, and the water supplies that actually supports the entire city. Um, it has all the tools, technique, research, and necessary data, which actually is the ground or the foundation of the city. So even if you build before make a city, if you have to plan a city, you have to um, collect the data, how the roads are, how many roads we need, how many towns we have, where's the water lines gonna be. So these are the things which actually lays the foundation. So it's basically the planning with the data we have, with the number of data sets we have, like how many people is gonna be there, how many cars gonna be there, public transport. So all those things are data. Now on the left side, if you see, the data mining is basically a subset of data science. Data mining is a maintenance crew for the city. What does it mean is basically they are constantly analyzing, fixing, or maintaining and trying to improve the overall plan for the data. So if you just so to give an example, we have the roads, we have the water, we have the water lines, but it's the maintenance crew. It's basically the all the improvement or the plans or the tools they use to build or maintain the data that actually helps improve uh, the building of the whole city. So these two actually correlate each other. So without the city, the work and the improvement plan or the tools would not make sense. But without the crew or the tools, or the data mining, the data science does not make any sense. So they have to work in correlation with each other to build one uh, data data science and data mining. And in the next slide we'll see how exactly that plays an important role in AI. So we have the city, we built the city, we have the tools, we improved everything, we have the uh, crew or the employees. Now the next thing is artificial intelligence. So think of it as uh, basically it's like a central control system that manages traffic lights, monitors security cameras, manages the water line, the flow of the water, public transport, bridges, all those things. Everything is maintained by one control system. That's how AI is. So it has all the data, it has all the tools, it can see and it can predict, and it can work with certain data or the tools to make that city work, or the make that city actually work, or the system in between the city to work together. This system can solve problem without intervention, or without having someone. This system can actually work autonomously. So nobody in the picture you do see a couple of people which are looking at the screen, but imagine if system is making decision without anybody else. So if there's any signal or the control, or if there is security, or if there is maintenance needs to be done in the city, the artificial intelligence can do it. So the next piece is machine learning. That's basically it's adaptive technology in the city, such as smart city lightning, which actually adjust based on the traffic pattern. It learns from the past data, traffic light, the weather condition, and make prediction based on the previous data it has. So it optimizes the operation of the whole city. And the deep learning is basically is like a city brain managing the most complex task. Yeah, it has neural network just like our human brains have, and uh, it can process vast amount of data, make prediction that are more advanced, such as prediction of any accident or anything happens. So it works with the machine learning. So if we are just talking about machine learning of the signals, it can predict the accident based on the data we have, or the weather conditions, or which roads can be busy at some time. So these prediction can be made based on the data or the machine learning behavior. So how does actually they relate to each other? Now, if we have everything, the maintenance crew, the signal, the prediction, the control system, that actually brings up to our this diagram. So if we have everything in terms of the data, which is data science, which is our baseline of the smart city, roads, water, pipeline, electricity, grid station, and data mining is our maintenance crew who are maintaining the or improving the operations. AI is actually the control center which controls the whole city, which automatically control every operation, not only the signaling, but every single operations within the city, and can predict and can make a decision based on the condition or the data we have. And machine learning is subset of the city or the AI. For example, just like signals can make decision based on the weather condition, traffic pattern, and any other condition we or data has. And then the deep learning is like calculation or technique of calculating the vast amount of data and making prediction out of it. So I hope that can actually give you a better idea how AI is made of different subset, which is machine learning, deep learning, and data science and data mining is actually part of it, although they are different field if you are interested in learning it, but they do complement and they do have to work hand in hand with each other. I hope this has been helpful for everyone, and I'll be making more videos just on the AI and also the tools we use to build our own AI system. So stay tuned, and please subscribe and like. So I'll be putting more content just around the AI and all the other technologies. So see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.